Jonjeten migao mar omenda Mbadi oyango ni ng'anyo mano bagi kawuono kaka gino mane okunjo bedi ni timore kaluwore ni midhiero ma okwako sekta mar mauta en midhiero mokwako piny mangima. Owe pis mare e boma Nairobi kama oyango ni piny owacho setimo duto manyalo mar gayo nengo mar modhi e pacho ka, kowacho ni poni sirikal ne ok okawo okang'no to ne nengo mauta oidho moloyo sani. Bende oyango ni wito ok osuru manie mauta okeyo mar keto resruok ni mar mano pod dhi medo Kenya osigo matimo dongruok.
You go to Burundi today. Yeah. What decision have they taken? That you cannot take more than 30 liters of fuel per week. There are some countries where they have told staff to work from home. People are taking desperate measures at this time because we are in desperate times. We need to also look across and see what is happening elsewhere. Look at the United States of America. The United States of America, which is a net exporter of fuel, the prices have shot up 80% higher. Now, let me come back home to this question about levies. If you look at those levies, the levies and the taxes are supposed to help our development agenda. This economy is a big economy, Jimmy, and we all know it. First, take the roads, for example. There is road maintenance levy in this, in the price of fuel. We need to maintain our roads, and we need to do our roads. If you are going to remove the road maintenance levy, are the matatu operators going to be willing, and now the rains have just stopped, are they going to be willing to drive in potholes? Or, because one must give way for the other.